yeah, good bike. Anyway, I'll have a quick something to eat and then keep riding on this route and head to Cobbler Lake. So I'm here now at King Hut. So the creek's just down there and my road is back up behind me there. They've got to keep going to get to Mount Cobbler. But this is a cool hut, King's Hut. A couple of campers here, so it's a beautiful day though, but let's check out the hut and have a look inside. I've also got a cooker here if I want, but I'm gonna sit there and have a bit of a rest and check the map out, but we'll have a look at the hut first. So there we go. Not much to show really, but it's a cool hut. You could easily sleep in it if you had to. It smells nice. It smells like this pine and the fire. Yeah, it's a cool hut. A few windows. Table for putting stuff on. That's good. I could live in this, not bad. And the creek, I can see the creek, but the creek is just out there. Maybe 20 metres. So, here is Cobbler Lake. So it was a good ride up here. The track was pretty good. A few four-wheel drives, not too rough, not too bad. A little bit rocky, but not too bad. You can see it's very, very nice. Have a look here. And the hut is just there. So we're going to take a look at the hut as well. So, this hut is way better than nothing if you're stuck out here, but it's not as fancy as the other huts. Got a bit of a fire prodder there, you can see that, but it's yeah, it's okay, definitely better than nothing. And there's the lake out there. Alright, let me have a look at my map again, see where I'm going next. So I am at Cobbler Lake here. I'm going to shoot up this road to viewpoint to falls, maybe the waterfalls. I can see something, and then I'm going to come back the way I came, back to here and up to here, and then decide if I go to Craig's Hut. It all depends on my fuel. So far I've done 76 kilometers, so I've got to remember that I've got 76 kilometers back, so I've got to be careful of that, and I've got about a 200 litre range, so I don't want to cut myself short. So I'm going to just do this loop, come back to here, and then see how I go. But this is Cobbler Lake. pretty good. My mat blew off my bike. So here is the viewpoint to the waterfall. It's right across there on the other side. You probably can't see it with the camera, but I can see it. It's pretty damn nice. I'll try and zoom in and see if you can see it. Right across there. So you can imagine if it was the middle of winter, there'd be a lot more water. That'd be pretty cool. That's a big cliff though. Holy cow. So that's the way I came. I'm going to check my map again because that's a nice smooth road. It keeps going this way. So I'll check my map and decide which way I head back. Well, I'm now at Craig's Hut. It's just over the hill there. I just thought I'd say something here because when we get up on the hill it's probably too windy, but the track up here was fantastic, easy, still a four-wheel drive track but no troubles. There's 5 or 6, 7, 8 other four-wheel drivers here. I'm the only bike, but the hut is over the hill, so we'll go check it out now. So if you haven't seen the movie Man from Snow River, it's pretty old now, but it's a very good movie. There's part 1 and part 2, but in the movie, the main guy, Jim Craig, this was his hut. So this is the hut they made for the film. I think there was another hut there beforehand. Oh no, there's not. There's one over the back, but they built this one for the film because of the view, and because they could quite easily get to it and stuff like that. But it's a super cool hut, and you definitely got to check out that film because it's a good film. But I'll show you a little closer because it's really cool here. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them. And if you want to contact me, you can do so through my website, the link's in the description below. See you next time.